tried it. She tried it.
I did.
And didn't give.
It did give.
It didn't give.
It did give.
Same play.
No, I won't. Because anybody gonna make me.
Ooh, we sister rivalry.
You keep saying what you gonna do, but you're not gonna do it though.
Why y'all gotta be so violent towards each other? Y'all sisters.
I mean, I know you not talking.
I don't fight my sister. Girl, we ain't never got no fight.
I really don't care about all that.
Oh, okay.
You said what?
Who you talking to?
No, what she say?
That's what I thought.
You thought what?
That's what I thought.
Repeat what you just said.
People know not to play with me.
Who know not to play with her? I know it's not the same little girl that be crying every time she get whooped.
By who?
By me.
So right, y'all is not about to fight. You two girls to be trying to fight
I
her.
don't care. What the hell she talking?
Is she serious?
I'll whoop her and go right to sleep. Peacefully. Janai, why you in the garage talking out there, man? She need to come in here.
You said you do what?
I'm not gonna argue with you.
Janai, go sit down. You go to bed, right?
I'm gonna show you, Virgin. I can tell you.
Oh my God!
Oh, I just hit my head.
Oh, see, that's why I said stop playing.
Ah! Wait, what's up?
Don't fight her. Do not fight her.
Mom,
You're right.
let me take my stuff out my pocket, man. What up, man?
Oh my! Are you really gonna fight?
What up? What up? What up?
Come on.
No! Stop! No! You serious? She's trying to get serious. Yeah, I know. That's why I stopped her.
Serious.
She's serious.
I'm not serious.
Yes, you are.
Come on.
You are
Come on. She was just saying she was gonna whip me. Come on.
No.
Pap, yeah.
Come on.
Pap, yeah.
Come on. I'm gonna put come on. Come on.
No, look at her pose. That's what you
What?
do when you actually fight. You're sick.
Move. Come on.
No, she really want to fight.
Why?
She really want to
You're a
fight.
psychopath.
Come on.
No.
Dang, the table, everything messed up. Oh shit.
You just said you wanted to fight me. I'm not even being for real.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
That's how you look when you was about to beat
Why?
What one girl?
I'm dumb.
What one girl she talking about?
She's trying to actually fight me. She's sick.
No, I didn't.
Sick as hell.
Oh, Jesus.
You need help.
Oh my God.
I really know she talking about a both of y'all crazy.
No, you crazy.
She said she wants to fight.
She said you had that look in your eye when you was about to fight that girl. Oh my God. She's like, no, you're crazy.
Open it off. Turn it red.
And then trying to say she was just playing.
Because I was just playing.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I was.
You was
so serious.
No, I wasn't.
Girl, you crazy. I got a crazy dog.
I'm going upstairs. I don't got time for a psycho.
You better go to bed.
Bye.
I don't got time for it.
Bye.
That's one psychopath.
Why are you laughing?
Because it was funny. You're freaking crazy. You were so serious.
I'm not crazy. I wasn't even being for real.
You were serious. Bro. You
No,
started
I
fighting.
wasn't.
Why you?
turning red?
Okay,
I have to show you.
You know how Zaraya is. She's sitting up there smiling at you the whole time, but really she's getting
She
ready
got to punch the stuff
Bap,
out.
bap,
Good.
I can show you who I was
And
in.
she gonna tap you all that
Y'all are crazy. Oh, Jesus. My head is freaking hurting. Well, I came out here to get live. I was about to talk about something else, but... Hey, y'all. What's up? Hello. They had sister rivalry going up here. My two oldest daughters, they crazy.
You needed to delete that.
Delete what?
That video. Do it by the way. Hey, look at me.
I kind of feel
No,
sick.
baby, I'm good.